I don't believe everything happens for a reason.
To us romantics out here, that amounts to high treason.
I don't go in for your star-crossed lover.
In the heart of a skeptic, there's a question that still hovers here.
For it makes a question, how did I ever find you? Now you got me writing love songs that kind of refrain like this one here. Baby,
And all your left-handed kisses were just prelude to another, prelude to your backhanded love song, baby.
for it makes a question now, did I ever find you drifting gently through the jar of the gray sun gods of the sea Atlantic Ocean? Got me writing love songs with a common refrain like this one here.
All your song is missing is that if you really love me, you'd risk more than a few decent words on your backhanded love song.
Or it makes a question, how did I ever find you? Gently drifting through the jar of the great Sargasso Sea Atlantic Ocean. Ooh,
All your song is missing.
got me writing love songs
If you really love me,
with a common refrain like this one here, baby.
prelude to another of your backhanded love song.
Now it's time for a handsome little bookend.
Now it's time to tie up all the loose ends.
Am I still a skeptic, or did you make me a believer?
If you hesitate, you'll hear the click of the receiver.